everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing a week in my life. I haven't filmed in a while. I'm back from college now. Just been home enjoying everything, working a lot, but I wanted to film a week in my life to show what I do living in Orange County. Dream place. But summer's been so fun recently. I've just been with my friends a lot, going to the beach a lot. I'm working at the place I used to work during high school, and it's just been a good time. I've also been super into eating super healthy and just getting enough sleep. College was definitely a lot, but now we're back, gonna reset and do it all over again. I know I didn't film that much today, but I woke up, I went to the gym this morning and then went straight to the beach after I made breakfast, and then babysat for like an hour and a half. Oh, then I walked after. And then I went to the beach with my friends, but just for the sunset, and just looked at the waves. Super pretty out. And now I'm about to go to bed. It's Monday, June 1st, new month, new week, good vibes. But I'm really excited to bring you guys along. There's gonna be a lot going on this week, a lot of beach, a lot of just summer fun. But yeah, can't wait for you guys to come along with me. I also, this is the newest addition to my room, I got a vanity. I'm so happy about this. And it also turns on, but I just don't have it on. I got this Hatch alarm for my birthday, and I have never had blinds that actually close. So it really doesn't do anything for me because I still have to use my phone for like my alarm, but I have this and I'm excited to use it in college. It's supposed to wake you up with this sunlight. It just never worked for me because the sun wakes me up at like 6:30 in the morning, every morning. So it's just here. All right, this has been my daily for a while. I showed it in another video, but I do bone broth every morning as well as my pre-workout. And this isn't the normal one I use, but we're out of the normal one, so I've been using this one. And then for my pre-workout, I'm doing like a quarter of a banana and a date. And then I've been using this jam. It's really good ingredients. Okay, I'm on the way to my dermatologist appointment and then going straight to the beach after. The UV's gonna be 9 today. I'm so excited. I also ended up picking up a shift tonight. I'm covering my friend Lucy. So I'm working tonight, which is totally fine because she's taking my Friday. So now I have Friday off, which is nice. And during the week, it's like pretty chill there. It's so fun. I'm in such a huge rush, but I just got back from the beach. Literally didn't even have time to shower. I'm still salty. And I had time to make this though. Look how beautiful that is. Some like chicken salad, turkey. I'll tell you about the dermatologist later. It was not good, but I'll see you guys after work. This is my outfit. I'm back from work. It's 10:30. I just ate dinner and I'm having my golden kiwi of the day. So good. Basically at the dermatologist today, I literally still haven't showered from the beach. I feel disgusting. She told me that she thinks it's my creatine that's causing all this. So now I'm stopping my creatine. Like literally I've taken everything out. She gave me like a different cleanser to try, but I just hope it is the creatine because then I'd finally find out the answer. Good morning. Clearly I got a little excited, but I have my Emmylou chicken sausages, an egg, spinach, and egg whites, and then strawberries, blueberries, and some avocado. So I'm gonna eat this. It's 12:30, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna lay out today because I've been in the sun a lot, but I do want to keep getting more tan, but I don't know. Okay, I showered and got ready. My mom and I are running some errands, but after I have work, so this is kind of it. Not much today. It is such a nice day out. I'm glad it's sunny. on my way to work. I'll see you guys after. I'm back from work. I am so tired. I was just reading a little bit and I went to the gym. I just did 30 minutes on the Stairmaster. It was so busy at work today, so I barely had time to do anything. It's 7:30 now. I already ate dinner. I might just stay here all night and watch a show or something, or I might go out with my friends. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just exhausted, so sorry I've been a horrible vlogger. All right, that was such bad weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, UV was like 6 and it was freezing.
And it was a high school reunion.
Yeah.
I gotta go. See.
Making a lunch right now, back from the beach, chicken, carrots, hummus.
All right, good, have fun.
Okay, it's been a minute since I filmed last time. I was eating dinner, but I went on a walk, I showered, and now I had a hankering for a sweet treat. So I'm making sweet potato brownies. I just took these out of the air fryer at 400, and now they're soft and I have to mush them. And then I also made this like date, I was trying to make these like date balls, but it didn't really work out, so then I ended up just baking it. So I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but we'll see. But I wanted to make the sweet potato brownies on camera. 200 grams cooked and mashed sweet potato. Okay, so it came out to 190 grams of sweet potatoes, but that's fine. I'm gonna mash them. 120 grams of hard-boiled egg whites.
Smash them through.
And then I'm gonna do 30 milliliters of this. She used 60 of sugar-free, so I'm gonna do 30. Because I feel like the sweet potatoes are already sweet. I don't think it's gonna ever cook. This is what it looks like. Okay, let's see. I put them in at 15 minutes because they're thin. Look how good they turned out. I'm really curious to try this. It's like one of those microwave cakes. That's what it's reminding me of. Wow, that is so good. It's a lot of chocolate tonight now. Okay guys, well that was basically a week in my life. I kind of do the same thing every day, but not really during summer. Every day is kind of different, but if you want to see more videos, let me know. And I love making them, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.